Who doesn't love proofs? I bet you do by the end of this video. So let's get started. Prove that derivative of cosecant x is equal to negative of cosecant x times cot x. Okay, let's take the left hand side and prove that left hand side is equal to this right hand side. Okay, left hand side is equal to, we have derivative of cosecant of x. And if you have watched my previous video and you remember trigonometric formulas, cosecant is also equal to 1 over sin x. And here we can see that quotient rule is being applied here, which is simply derivative of a over b is b times, which is sin x, derivative of a, which is 1. This is a over b form, right? Quotient rule, minus a times, which is 1, derivative of b, which is sin x divided by b square, which is sine of x square. Okay, so sin x, we know derivative of 1, which is constant, is 0 minus 1 times derivative of sin x is cosine of x over sine square x. So this is 0 times sin x is 0, minus 1 times cosine x is cosine x over sine square x. So this is negative of cos x divided by sine square x. So you can write this down as 1 over, okay, negative, don't forget the negative, right? 1 over sine x, because sine square x, that means we have two sines, right? Sine x times cos x or cosine x divided by sine x, which is simply equal to 1 over sine x is trigonometric functions, right? Formulas. 1 over sine x is cosecant x. And if you remember, sine over cos is tan. So reciprocal of tan is cot. So this is cot of x. Hence proved left hand side is equal to right hand side. And I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.